Alright, Master Designers, tonight we're going to draw Marble from Dragon Ball AF. First time seeing this demon was when Gohan was training the Master Super Saiyan 5. Probably because after what Eyes did, after Eyes killed Pan, that's what triggered the transformation. And to be honest, seeing Pan's death, that was kind of awesome to watch. And to be honest, Pan would have been better if she stayed dead. Well, I'm not really a Pan fan as much, but basically one of these days, Pan will eventually transform into something evil, and Goku will have to use the Spirit Bomb on her. And well, you know how it goes. Gohan did master Super Saiyan 5 when a new batch of Shadow Dragons appeared. That was very fortunate enough. I never expected there'd be more than one Shadow Dragon. Did you know that Night Ninja has an academy for supervillains now? Seriously, who does that? Building an academy for supervillains. Awesome. But it would have been better if the supervillains were in top shape and were actually training it to combat against the in events. Let's see what kind of villains are gonna be in there. We saw Luna, Romeo, Octobella, and I'll bet the other villains are gonna be there. Let's see, we got Matsuki, Pharaoh, Monkey Goo. So many villains that the other villains haven't met yet. Even the Wolfies are gonna be there, especially Pirate Robots and the Light Thieves. Well, Speedy Twins, or I don't know what to say. Or Tisha is gonna be in there. I bet there's gonna be a new bad guy there. The Game Master. Based off of the Game Master from Super Dragon Ball Heroes. I'm gonna be drawing him real soon. Super Dragon Balls. I hear that Marble has a brother. I'll draw him real soon. After I'm finished with this one. and finished. That is how you draw marble. Success. Marble, I know what that you're not really interested in watching this, but let me know if you have enjoyed this as much as I did. That's all for now. Stegosaurus, see you later, and good night.